Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Complex. Today we are celebrating Hamza's birthday. He's turning 5 today and we're here at Main Event. That's right, Main Event. They sponsored this. We're gonna have a wonderful time today. We're gonna check it out, what it's all about. So you excited, buddy? So without further ado, let's go inside and check it out. Let's go, come on. So in terms of bowling goes, they have cosmic bowling, so you have those nice neon lights. It's a lot of fun with interactiveness. Even the scoreboard was actually pretty cool. Now they have it set up in a way where you can do for either adults or kids, where they even had this little slide to go ahead and throw the ball, as well as bumpers, of course, for the children to use. And I have to say, it was actually a lot of fun. Now in terms of laser tag goes, it's actually a 2-floor laser tag station, allowing you to go ahead and play about, and at the end you get to go ahead and see your score and kind of rank yourself among others. Now there's 2 different teams. However, if you are a birthday boy, they do give you a special gun at certain locations, but this one definitely had it, which was absolutely cool, and Hamza enjoyed that a lot. And then lastly, they had the arcade center as well as the rope course, both of which were a lot of fun. Now they have different variations of way to play, one being a time card and one being a point card. But in the end, they also have a prize station that you can go ahead and pick out. Now we did opt in for the birthday package, so we were able to go and have Hamza pick out his own prize, in which he picked out a Spider-Man, and I have to say he really enjoyed that. All right, well, there you guys have it. Overall, we had a great time. Hamza had a blast, and overall, a wonderful 5th birthday. Now, if you are in the market for a cool place to check out, this is definitely it. From laser tag, bowling, arcades, they have it all, and the hospitality is absolutely superb. Now, with that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.